Hello and welcome to ITBS Media. Today I want to share with you quickly how you can install a module in Python, and we'll be using pip to install the module. And the essence of this is to show you the error you may encounter and how you can overcome the error. So let me bring up the Python interpreter here. So we have Python 3.10 now. So I'm going to try and install Python-barcode. So see, pip install Python-barcode. You see we have error. The reason is that this Python interpreter is not where we should install module from. We can only call the module from this interpreter when we want to run a program and we want to use the module. So what we need is the CMD. You actually install modules and packages through CMD. So there also at CMD, I'm going to show you another error you may encounter. So let me bring up CMD. Give it 1 second, I need to be up. Okay, so we have it here now. Okay, let's do pip install Python-barcode. We will receive the same error. But before you can use Python, we have to change the directory to Python. So we are now in a Python directory now, so we can run pip install Python, type of the same error as when we used the Python interpreter. Here is Python 3.10 and this one is command prompt. The reason why this error has been thrown is because we have to run CMD as administrator. So let's go back and do that out. Let's go back to CMD. Let's wait for it to load here, then run as administrator. Let's give it a few seconds to load. Yes, because it's going to affect the package. Okay, here we go. So okay, now let's do the same thing now. Pip install, and see, remember now we're in administrator mode. Okay, pip install Python barcode. And say pip install Python barcode. Right. Close this out and come again. CMD. Okay. Pip install Python barcode. Oh, okay. The mistake was that I changed it into Python interpreter mode earlier. So you can see that it's done successful. So I should not change it into Python interpreter mode. That was the mistake I made. So it shows that the Python interpreter is not going to be able to install modules. Modules will be installed by the operating system that you're using, like Windows. We're in Windows now. So installing it using pip, I was able to install it. Thank you. So if you make sure you subscribe to the channel and visit the channel for more video on Python and some other interesting topics. Remember to subscribe. Thank you. I thought I've closed it. Why is it not responding? Shift F5.